We can't wait to take a quack at the competition. Seriously, I'm kind of freaking out right now. What? Am I like a giant red tooth? A pile of red fuzz? What am I supposed to sound like? And Northwestern's Willie the Wildcat said, "You'll need 9 lives to beat us, rawr." How bark caw? Is that the sound a red thing would make? I'm definitely not an animal, but I'm also definitely not human. I think that means I'm quite literally nothing. And finally, Grimace and the Philadelphia Flyers Gritty said, "Keep it weird, brah."